And here's I'll show you how to animate colors in Premiere Pro. So here's my image background layer and this is my text layer. Now I'm just decreasing this text layer duration or size, and then I'm just copying this text and pasting it here. Total I'm going to paste 3 times. I'm just triple deleting and increasing the background. Okay, now I have total 3 text layer. Now I'm just leaving the first text color as white, and then I'm selecting the second text layer and I'm just selecting my entire text and I'm just selecting a different color. And here we can see my second text color changed. Now I'm selecting the third text and highlighting my entire text and selecting a different color. And now as you can see I have total 3 text with 3 different colors. If I play the video, as you can see color changing. Now all you have to need to animate with good looks, we have to add transition between these 2 clips. So go to effects and here search for dissolve transition, and or you can just go to effects and expand video transition, expand dissolve, and here you can go ahead and add any of the transition just like this. And now if I play my video, as you can see a very beautiful color animation.